Good day, this is Ibe Livio from Network International Limited. In this module, I'm going to show the student module of the FPNO e-learning management system. So first of all, this is the landing page of the e-learning. Once you use this link, you will come to this landing page. So next thing we're going to do is click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, it will take you to this page where you can choose your role. So obviously this is the student module. So I'm going to select student and I'm going to log in as a student. So you can also, if you don't know your password, you can click on forget password and you'll be able to reset your password if you can't remember your password. So I'm going to log in. So as a student, this is your landing page, or more like your dashboard. So here you're going to see your lectures today. So if you have a lectures today, you see that to show you the number of lectures you have for the day. If you have a new message from your lecturer or your academic advisor, you will see that it's populated. You can click on it and view. If you have an assignment as well, you will see the number of assignments you have. You will also see the number of quiz you have to answer. Then whatever information is happening in the school, you can also come here and read them as well. So we're going to go through this navigation bar. Here's the learning management, academic forum, mentorship program, and so on. So here, when you click on this, it will open. You can register your course. This is your course registration. You see all your courses you're offering for this semester, and there's usually a button here that usually tell you to register. So you just click on that button, and you will register your academic or courses for that semester. You can also select if there's any courses here. You also see them to register. Next is your online code assignment. Like I said, if you have an assignment, click on here. You will see the number of assignments you have, so you can just take them, as well as the quiz. If you have a lecture, online lecture, you are going to see those informations here. Next will be cost outline. So if you just have one course I've added here. So if you click on the normal, you will see the list of all the courses. You can just click here and see the course units, the lecturer handling the course. You see the course outline. Then you can also see the lecture material, if any. For now, we do not have electoral material for you to see. So next will be the semester results. You can just come here and view your semester results. So the academic forum. So academic forum is a lecturer forum or lecture forum. Now here is after a lecture and you do not understand what was being taught in that lecture. So you can just come here and find the course, select the course that uh, that you want to select, and see questions that are being asked, and also you can answer answer. You can ask good questions if you have any questions asked. The lecturer will be able to see it and answer you. The lecturer as well will be able to, your fellow course mates will also be able to see those questions that you asked and help you out to answer. So this is a question someone asked, and next is department forum. So this one is just same uh, same way, You come here, you ask your questions, and someone will answer you, either your lecturer or your fellow classmates or anyone that have access to this will be able to answer your questions. Next is the mentorship program. Here is where you find your academic advisor. So you see a list of all the lecturers here. Then you can just, if you want this person to be your academic advisor, you can just click on this button, send request, and the lecturer will see the notification is in your dashboard or her dashboard. Once they accepts you to be their academic advisor, this request pending will change to like done. Then you and that academic advisor can now have a conversation. So here will be a population of all your chats. If you have anything you want to share with the lecturer or your academic advisor, you can chat him here and he or she will reply you. So next we are going to do is the library management. We're going to skip on this. Library management, this is where you visit your e-library. So you can click on this button. This button will take you directly to the e-library. So as a student, this is your e-library. So you have to log in, select student, key in your password, email and password, and as well if you've forgotten your password, you can click forget password and you'll be able to reset your password. Next you sign in. Once you sign in, this is where you can now see all um, your books PDF. It has whole lot of books here that you can go through and read. This is your e-library, so you can search by book title. You can search by department. If you're in accounting, you can just click here, search by department. Then you can just, if you like, if you feel this is what you're looking for, just click on this, and the PDF file will open for you to, uh, you know, for your use, you study and do whatever you want to do, reading, and a whole lot you want to do with it. So this page is loading, and it's yeah. So now this is your book. You don't need to go to the school library. You can access your books via this portal. You can just start reading. So that's how this e-library works. As a student, you can also come here, explore e-library and select most of our free ebooks. You can click on any button here to search for books, and you will see a book that you're looking for. Definitely. Next notch is your virtual ID card. You just see your ID card here, and that's pretty much it. You can come here to see your info. You can change your password if you want. At the top here is your matriculation number. So I know some it's usually a number that you always remember, but whenever you log in as a student, you have this uh, matriculation number here at the top. So that is it for the students module. Thank you very much.